Hi everyone! Today I am going to be making holiday color cookies. I am introducing how to make delicious vegan Japanese cuisine using fermented food each week on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my new videos. Let's make it together. Ingredients: First, put rice flour, almond powder, and beet sugar in a bowl and mix well. Second, add melted coconut oil and Shio Koji and mix well with a spatula until crumbly. Third, put them together by hands. Fourth, divide the dough into 20 to 22 equal portions with a scraper and roll into balls on the palm of your hand, or weigh evenly and roll them one by one. Fifth, bake in preheated to 160 degrees oven for 10 minutes, then lower the temperature to 150 degrees and bake them for 10 to 15 minutes, then let it cool. 6. Combine the finishing powder ingredients into a bowl. Add the completely cooled cookies, toss gently with a spatula and coat the entire surface. 7th, it's done. 8th, roll the red cookies while baking the white cookies. Then roll the green cookies while baking the red cookies. 9th, if you prepare all the cookie ingredients in advance, you can proceed smoothly. 10th, at my home, I enjoy putting it in a glass bowl like this every year. Please give it a try.
いただきます。おいしい。
I hope this information helps you. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。